Yo, 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 it's me again, Kachow. So, let's go for tech again. But for this video, let's talk about the most asked question. So, most of us already reach HQ30 and then having a problem with their uh, what to do next. Whether to go for HQ31 or T10. Okay? So my advice is this one. So I suggest you go for T10. This is the step by step. I think you only needed it. I think around I don't really remember, but I think 60% of 60 or for I think 60. I think 60% of special force will be able to reach this T10. So for this I do suggest to level it uh, or aim for the requirement only. So I cannot show you anymore since I already maxed most of it. But look at this. This. So this is still at level 5. This is level 6. So this one is at level 1. So why? Because I only needed level 1 for this one, hospital capacity, and the increase unit healing speed to unlock this. And once I unlock this, the this skill 3, this skill 3 will be open. I level this up, then next is this level 1 of these 3 to level 1D so I can start upgrading this. So do it over and over again until you max this one, then you max these three, and then boom, you'll be able to unlock the T10 unit. Then after you unlock it, or before actually, there's a trick about this. Don't focus too much on your T10 because I have, as what I have said, I think you needed 60% or more something to unlock the T10 to finish this. But doing that, you will be able to unlock also the siege to seize, defense fortification, because you only needed special force, 40% of special force to unlock these two. This will unlock at the same time when you reach your special force at 40%. So why this is important? Actually, when you reach 40% on your special force, stop for a while. Don't focus too much on your T10. Stop for a while and focus on this. Just try to get this. You only needed one research for this and it will be max. This is the fourth drill ground. Okay, guys? So you only needed this for, although this will cost a little more than the defense fortification. I'll show you later. So you just max this for this. You need to max that and then you will be able to unlock this and then do the research. Then after that, suggest you stop you stop your siege to cease. Uh just try to get the fourth drill ground. And then once you got the fourth drill ground, go to your defense fortification to unlock this. Okay? Is the first tech for defense fortification. So you will be able to unlock this. So that's why I said siege to siege will cost a little more than defense fortification based on the tech you need. Okay, so make sure to uh, to unlock the fourth hospital. So this is the fourth hospital. For siege to siege, it will be the fourth drill ground. For defense fortification, it will be the fourth hospital. So why it is important? So as you can see, for every level of your drill ground, it will only increase by 200 troops. Okay? But if you add the fourth drill ground, it will give you, I think, a 3,000 something, or j- I think more than 3,000. I do not remember. I don't remember actually how much troop capacity it will give you, but it will be uh, it will it will definitely be worth it. So you can stock more troops and you won't run out that easily. So for the hospital, why is it important? So this is my hospital, 134, 20, 20, 20. So that fourth hospital gave me 1,600 uh, injured troop capacity for my hospital. So I can stack troops here and then train it all, or to save it. Actually, I have a trick on this during war days that I store it all at max at 8,372, then heal them all. So I have more than 50 or around 60, almost 60k troops, even though my drill ground is only 41k. Okay, so that is important. So once you unlock the fourth drill ground for your siege to siege, and then you unlock your fourth hospital in defense fortification, go back to your special forces and then run those skill tree just required, so you can move to the next part. Okay, so just the required building, so you can move to the next part up until T10. So once you're there, it's actually up to you if you will actually it's not up to you. You definitely need to upgrade this up to, I think, 80 80 to unlock the mastery, tank mastery, missile mastery, and aircraft mastery. But you can stop there. Okay, so minus 87 already stop, because although this is good number of trainees, and also this one training speed up, especially this one, I don't worry that much for those tech, because I have a lot of speed ups. I can boost my troop training anytime. So it's up to you if you are going to level this up, so you can train more troops or and refill your drill ground. But I will be suggesting on this. So you can go from HQ 30 to 31. Okay? And then we will discuss this for the next video. So for now, bye bye.